Most people think they know the Statue of Liberty, but they don't know what's hidden inside, or that her torch was destroyed by an explosion, or that the US didn't even want her at first. She's more than a symbol. She's a warning, a protest, a message carved in copper, sent across the ocean to a country still finding itself. The statue wasn't built by the US government. It was a gift from the people of France, meant to celebrate liberty and democracy after the Civil War. But when it arrived, America refused to pay for the pedestal. So the statue sat in crates, untouched, until a newspaper campaign led by Joseph Pulitzer raised the money, one small donation at a time. She didn't always look like this. When she first arrived, she was shiny and brown, pure copper, like a brand new penny. Over time, weather and air turned her green. That soft green? That's oxidation. Nature did the painting. Inside, there's a spiral staircase, 354 steps up to the crown. From the top, you can see Ellis Island, the harbor, the skyline of Manhattan. But very few people know that visitors once climbed all the way to the torch. That ended in 1916, after a massive explosion shook the harbor. German saboteurs blew up a munitions depot in New Jersey. The shock damaged her arm and the torch. It's been closed ever since. What you see today is a replica. The original torch is in the museum below. Her design is full of hidden meaning. 7 spikes on her crown, for the 7 continents. A broken shackle at her feet, for freedom from oppression. A tablet in her left hand, engraved with the date of American independence, July 4th, 1776. And here's the detail almost no one notices. Her right foot is lifted. She's stepping forward. Liberty doesn't stand still. Liberty walks, and so should we. Whatever your background, the Statue of Liberty reminds us that America's strength has always come from its diversity. In times like these, it's worth remembering what this statue stands for: openness, freedom, and the dream of a better life. That's what built this country, and that's what keeps it strong. If this changed the way you see the Statue of Liberty, leave a comment and let me know. And subscribe to Mandovids for more real stories behind the world's most iconic places.